really does make the ride. What's up? If you're new to my channel, called Gears of Snore. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back, friends. I'm out in Pennsylvania with Nico and the man himself, Ray. And would you look at this scenery, man? Holy crap. And there's a black guy holding a square sign up ahead, according to that orange sign there. We're in Bushkill now. Imagine this, there's your house and right behind there's corn stalks, and you get some children of the corn type crap going on. No thank you, sir. No thank you. Wow. My, holy crap. Eagles. Oh God. I'm gonna take that down and put some jet signs up. Yeah, we're out here riding around. We're going to Riverwalk. It said it's a brewery or a restaurant. I don't know. We're a half hour out, so I'm like, you know what? I don't like my videos to be too long, so let's do a separate video. Show some of this scenery here. Man, this is unfreaking believable. If I don't move down the shore, man, I would move out here. This is something else. And you know what else is something else? My 2024 Pan America named Big Sheila. What do you got to say, Sheila?
Listen, you bastard, we're a one-bike garage. Stop talking about a gold wing.
Damn. Okay. Man, GTA taught me anything. That's a nice ramp for a jump. This is insane. This is how you're supposed to live. Space between the houses? Oh, would you look at that? I tell you, fall's gotta be awesome up here. If I was up here, me and, I had a Miss Gears of Snore. She was on the back. And she was like, will you take me to get some apple cider and pumpkin pie? I'd be like, sure, boo. And I'll let you pay for it too. Because that's the kind of romantic I am. I am just floored with how today has been. And we made our mandatory beef jerky stop. Well, for me, beef jerky, they get whatever they want. I said it on one of my other videos, man. This year is flying by. There's a horse, and there's one on the ground rolling around. And you could just sit outside and listen at night up here, and you just hear nature. That's wild. I wonder what houses cost up here. I know the property taxes isn't as savage as New Jersey. I'm thinking my town, the average is like $14,000 a year, even more if you have a corner house. Your friggin' property taxes are a mortgage in itself. And this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. You're riding through, trees around you, curves in the road, beautiful houses, beautiful scenery, an asshole driving too close to Ray. What more could you ask for? Maybe the asshole to back off. Is that Morristown, Pennsylvania, or Morristown, New Jersey? It's got to be PA. I don't think we're close to the New Jersey line. ranch houses, man. I'm a sucker for them. I love. It's just something like the way brick looks, and it keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. That's why you don't paint brick. And you know, I said it in one of my Virginia videos. My grandfather was a bricklayer. He also, when he was sick before he passed away, he was still conscious. He was telling me how he had a motorcycle in World War II, and this was probably around when I got my motorcycle license. I believe I was 27 at the time. I bought a Kawasaki EX500, which was the Ninja 500. They just didn't call it the Ninja yet. No helmet law in PA, by the way, so. But, yeah, I can't do it. I wore full face on my dirt bikes and ATVs. Nah. I gotta just. I've had things come up and hit me in the face, and no, I'll do the full face. Thank you, sir. I say that fast 3 times, huh? Yeah, this is something else today turned out to be. I was about to lose the flannel, and thank God I didn't, because the minute we started moving, boy, it was cold again. I was actually going to buy a motorcycle jacket this year. What's up, puppy? One of my coworkers, we have a standing joke. He buys motorcycle jackets, and then the rest of us get them for free. I can't believe, man. Look at this. The colors, and it's just so. You know, I've been talking about it, but yeah, sitting on the Goldwing ruined me, man. I'm trying my damnedest to figure out where I can get the money for a second bike, or I would rather not give up this bike. It is so much fun, but on the longer trips, I definitely, and I wouldn't do longer trips on the lowrider ST. That's just me. That's not to say that you can't. I mean, people do it all the time. It's just I'd rather have something rubber mounted. Klecknersville? Never been here. Very happy we came, man. Is that somebody's driveway? See that? Barndominium. I'm gonna have to rewatch the video, but I think I just saw a woman riding the trike and a guy in the back holding on to her. That is the case, good for you, girl. You get out there and show him who's boss. Holy crap. I tell you, I was, saying you go outside at night and listen to nature, but I don't know, man. I hear one friggin' noise coming from that cornstalk, and I'm going back in the house and locking every door and turning the lights off. You must be able to see the stars up here perfect at night. I'll move up here, get me some land, build a house, small house, huge garage rather, and then I go to the pound and adopt me another Boston Terrier. Wow. Oh my God, what a friggin' trip this turned out to be. Incredible, man. Incredible. 5,217 miles on Big Sheila. Purchased February this year. If you ever wanted to see what my dog look like? There's a video I made in February about her, me having to put her down, and there's a couple pictures of her in there. She's a good friggin' girl. They're some of the smartest dogs too, Boston Terriers, and she lived 16 years. I had her 14. I'm allergic to dogs. I thought I could never have a dog. My ex-wife wanted a dog, and we went and got a dog, and then my ex-wife decided she didn't want to be married, so I made sure Bella went with who was going to take the best care of her, and that was me. And remember, kids, adopt, don't shop. Nico made the comment before that it even smells cleaner up here. I'm like, yeah, that's called lack of pollution. Oh my god, that's for sale? You made it this far. I thank you for watching. Drop my videos Friday 3 p.m. ish, and now I'm dropping some on Sundays too, because I have a lot of videos, and you know what, let's kick them out and get some views. And I hope you can see, if you watch anything, you know, the first year, this is the second year I'm doing this, like the channel, the video's getting progressively better. I strive with every video to have the perfect viewpoint, good audio, and you know, create content that not only I like to watch myself when I can't ride, but other people do too. And if you came along for this ride, I thank you once again for giving up your free time to view my videos, and appreciate you. I hope you'll come back next week for some new videos.